Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and today I've got a quick preview of what's coming up, starting off with an announcement with the 500 subscriber contest. I am getting really close to that 500 subscriber mark, which means that we are going to announce the rules today. It is going to be a comment-based contest, so you will be commenting on this video alone, and a comment is worth 1 entry and a question is worth 2 entries. The reason I'm doing that is I'm starting a question and answer series that will be done about once a month where I answer some of you guys' questions. You guys have asked a lot of great questions and I want to give a specific video just for answering your questions. So that's how the 500 subscriber contest is going, and we will be doing a live draw of the 2 winners once we hit that 500 subscriber mark, and I'll give more about that in the coming weeks. This coming Monday, we have an operations video. Some of you have asked me to show how a car gets around my layout. So I'm following a car around my layout during one of my operations sessions and showing you how that happens. Then next Monday, we have another Arduino video, and we are doing a automatic street light tutorial. So I'll be showing you guys how to build a circuit for an automatic street light that turns on when it gets dark. So that's what we have coming up over the next few weeks. Don't forget, you have to be a subscriber to be a part of that 500 subscriber contest. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that like button and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. For now, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Happy railroading.